So I made a haunted house. That's the disc. And a tombstone or headstone in a couple sizes, and I have a bat. And I want to try to create like a hill look. And kind of create a perspective with different sized tombstones. So that's kind of what I'm going to attempt here. So if you look at that one, that's kind of what I want to create. Will it be successful? I don't know. We'll find out. But I'm going to put I scented this. I needed a scent that would not discolor too much, but I could also get to set up a bit. So I have this root beer that I've been wanting to use. Now I realize that root beer can be a love it or hate it scent. I personally, I don't like soda, but root beer is the one soda that I will drink. It's just got that yummy wintergreen taste to it. I guess there's also kind of a little bit of anise in it, but and guess what? My haunted house is gonna sit a little outside. It's a little tall for the mold. That's okay. It'll have a bump on top. Okay, I'm gonna go make the blue headstones. So yeah, the haunted house is sticking up, but that's okay. I scented this in root beer and I like it. It's not like super strong, but it's solid and it smells like root beer. It's got that wintergreen smell to me, so that makes me happy. And let's see how crazy the inside is. Oh, the headstones are a little tilted, but I think if there is some perspective, like this is close, that's further away, that's in the middle somewhere. I don't think it's awful. I'm gonna stamp that one. I could have pushed the these down a little bit further, that one down, and so the hill made the hill not quite as steep, and this would have been completely in, but that's okay. I almost wish I had put more bats. I wish I'd had more bats to put in. Because I really like the bat, but I only had the one, and I think it'd be cute with more. It's got the Halloween feel. It might not be perfect. I'm trying to be less hard on myself when I cut these and look at them, because I know I get a little tough on myself when I cut it and it doesn't quite turn out how I was hoping. So I think I could have actually had another smaller tombstone too, but it's a lot of embeds to make. So I'll stamp these, and I think that will add a little something, because isn't that cute with the stamp on it?